Munofara ere, welcome to this Shona tutorial where we are going to teach you about the conjunction but and how you can actually use it in Shona sentences. Stay with me. The conjunction but, when translated to Shona, becomes the word asi. 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 So let's do some example sentences so that you can get a grip and understand how this conjunction is used in Shona sentences. The first example, it is said but true. When we translate this to Shona, it becomes zvinosiririsa asi ichokwadi. It is said in Shona becomes one word, which is zvinosiririsa. 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 But becomes asi. True. Ichokwadi. Ichokwadi. Zvinosiririsa asi ichokwadi. That's a bit straightforward, isn't it? Okay, let's do another example. He is strong but small. In Shona, this becomes akasimba asi, that's but, mudiki. He is strong in Shona becomes one word, which is akasimba. Akasimba. Asi, which is but, asi. Small is mudiki. Mudiki. Akasimba asi mudiki. Okay, let's do another example. Nobody knows it, but it's true. Nobody knows it, but it's true. In Shona, this becomes hapana anozviziva asi ichokwadi. Nobody knows it becomes hapana anozviziva. Hapana anozviziva. But becomes asi. It's true. Ichokwadi. Hapana anozviziva asi ichokwadi. So I know it's a bit confusing. In the previous slide, we said true, it's ichokwadi. And in this slide, we are saying it's true. It's also translated to ichokwadi. So true and it's true are both translated to ichokwadi. Hapana anozviziva asi ichokwadi. But, which is asi. Okay, another example. I want to eat, but I am not hungry. In Shona, this becomes ndiri kuda kudya, asi handisi kunzwa nzara. I want to eat, ndiri kuda kudya. That's I want to eat. In Shona, ndiri kuda kudya. But, which is asi. I am not, it's handisi. In Shona, hungry, kunzwa nzara. Kunzwa nzara. Handisi kuda kudya asi handisi kunzwa nzara. I am not hungry. Handisi kunzwa nzara. Okay. Another example. Granny loves meat, but she does not have any teeth left. In Shona, gogo vanofarira nyama asi havasisina mazino. Okay, Granny eats gogo in Shona. Gogo loves meat, vanofarira nyama, vanofarira nyama, but, which is asi, she does not have any teeth left. Havasisina, which is she does not have any. So she does not have any teeth left becomes these two words, which is havasisina mazino, which is she does not have any teeth left. Teeth in Shona, it's mazino, so it becomes havasisina mazino. Gogo vanofarira nyama asi havasisina mazino. And it's my favorite time of the tutorial, quiz time. So give me the translation of this sentence in Shona. I've actually made it easy for you. I made 2 multiple choice answers for you, so you're gonna get to choose between A and B, the correct translation for this sentence. Pause the video, try it out, and then check the answer. The answer is A. I hope you got it right. Let me know in the comment section if you got this quiz question right. So, Tendai tried but failed. The correct answer is A, which is Tendai akazama, which is Tendai tried. Tried, it's akazama. But, which is asi. Failed, akakundikana. Akakundikana. I hope you got this quiz question right. Let me know in the comment section if you got it right. And thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next one. Ndatenda.